What's up, guys? Mark here at Kustoms Motorsports. My partner Wade is about to do a little video for you guys on a new product. I'm going to let him introduce this product to you. It is by Stinger. HEIGH10 is the stereo, and it is created by Stinger, which is also AMP Global, AMP of America. So stay tuned and let's get forward to this video.
What's up, guys? Wade here. Kustoms Motorsports. Got a surprise for you guys today. Let me just sip my drink in my cup first. Shout out to 7-Eleven. You guys should be paying me for this. Maybe in the future we can collab. But got something exciting for you guys. I have got a kit for the Jeep Wranglers and Jeep Gladiators, okay? It is for the Stinger HEIGH10. It will make it flush mount, and it actually retains a bunch of stuff, okay? So if I'm reading this box right, it will retain your factory high definition backup and front cameras if equipped, which is great. Retains access and adjust your climate controls from your radio, which that's pretty cool. Now, what I really like that it says that it does here, now keep in mind we have not opened one, we have not tried one. I've seen a few videos and stuff on it. I'm just reading from the box for you guys. Something that I really think would be pretty cool though is off-road. It says screen including off-road, even unequipped vehicles and drivetrain scenes. So, if I'm looking at this on this box here, okay, this is something pretty neat there. So, got your angle of your steering. Looks like it's got your tire pressure, front axle, sway bar. That's actually pretty cool. I don't own a Jeep. I don't know how handy that is, but it looks like it should be pretty cool. So if you guys need one, want to check it out, swing on over, email us, call us, wirekustoms.com.